Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Fee. Today it's a little bit different because my friend will be doing my voiceover. But if you're not yet a subscriber, what you really do, just hit the red button so you can be a part of my YouTube family.
Hi guys, Shanae here, and today we'll be doing oven baked potatoes. And as you can see, Fiona is cutting her potatoes into eighths. This is done by cutting the potato into half and then cutting each half into fourths. We will do this with about 4 large potatoes. If you have a larger family, you can always do more. Always make sure that your potatoes are washed because we'll be doing this with the skin on. Now we will then place our potatoes into a bowl. We'll add some olive oil. You can go ahead and then add some Maggi all-purpose seasoning, which Jamaicans love to use a lot. We will then add some garlic powder just to give it some taste and flavor, and of course some paprika to give it a little color and of course taste as well. Once you add your paprika, you'll then go ahead and mix it together just so that the potatoes will get a nice color. And if you are like some persons who like to wear gloves to do stuff like this, that's also fine. Jamaicans, we don't always do that once we're cooking at home. Once they're all mixed properly, place a baking tray down, put some grease paper on it, and then line out your potato wedges side by side. Just make sure that they're not touching. You will then make sure that you have a preheated oven up to 300 degrees and put your potato wedges inside the oven. You'll make sure that they are in it for 30 to 35 minutes. Okay guys, now that our potatoes are finished, what we will do is then go ahead and add some Parmesan cheese. Just sprinkle it on top. We will also add some garlic powder and we will sprinkle that on top as well. Once we sprinkle that, we will go ahead and mix them together just to make sure that all the pieces get the seasonings properly. We'll then go ahead and plate the pieces, and you can serve this with some ketchup, of course. We will then garnish. Alright, there you have it. You go ahead and garnish your potato wedges with some parsley and some Parmesan cheese. And there you have it guys, some oven baked potato wedges. You can serve it with ketchup as shown here, or if you're like me and don't like ketchup and you're a little weird, you can have it with mayonnaise, it's really good, or with ranch. Whatever sauce is your poison, go ahead.